Up first, we have San Manuel Tarlac.
San Manuel Tarlac.
I am a great man with moral, possess integrity, and ability to optimistic. I am living in the realm in different possibilities. I am here as a great man that inspired and willing to bring clarity, integrity, and be a good role model. Not just for my peers and also for the future generations. Because a great man is a man who is gentle and has a wisdom that can influence everyone. Thank you.
Up next, we welcome to our top 18, Bacolod City.
Bacolod.
As a great man, I may not be perfect. I commit mistakes. Sometimes I do the right things. But I am also a role model to the younger generations. And despite the hardships and obstacles in life, I will try and I will inspire the younger generations. Thank you.
Everybody give it up for Butuan City.
I am a great man of resilience and strong determination. I have faced challenges that shook my confidence. But I rise. And a year ago, I battled self-doubt and insecurity because of my body weight. But then I decided to change. So I started working out while juggling work, and little by little, I regained confidence. And that, in my journey, I have learned that it is the toughest battles that we have to follow, and if we are able to overcome that, we are able to inspire other people to see their own potential. Thank you.
Butuan.
Up next, we welcome to our top 18, Lugay Misamis Oriental.
Lugay Misamis Oriental.
Great man taught me two things: respect and kindness. Respect in a way that no matter how many struggles you're facing in, you just have to stand up and keep moving forward. Kindness in a way that no matter how cruel the world is, you still have to show the goodness from the heart. And now, in my comeback journey, already embodying those aspects, I am now ready to share my story and my experience to the world. Thank you.
Everybody put your hands together for Moncada Tarlac.
Moncada Tarlac.
Great man for me is generally being a human who, despite every challenges in their life, and I believe that whenever challenges that your life will face off, any failures and obstacles that you encounter in your life, you will overcome it. And by this, as a great man, this is your opportunity to overcome it. And if you want to become a great person, this is me. Be a great man. Thank you so much.
Moncada Tarlac.
Up next, we have Tarlac Province.
Tarlac Province.
As a great man of the as a great man of the University of Tarlac Province, I know the transformative power of fitness persons. Once, I was struggling with my weight. I discovered the benefits of physical activity and became determined to help others. Now, I am passionate about championing the youth through fitness and sports, fostering resilience, disciplines, and teamwork. Through advocacy and community engagement, I inspire Filipino youth to adopt healthy lifestyles, pursue their passions, and become confident leaders. Let's empower the next generations together. Thank you.
Tarlac Province.
Everybody put your hands together for Malig Isabella.
Malig Isabella.
Assertiveness, make a man. But my inspiration is to be a great man. I am from Northern Luzon. My advocate is sports education. I want to stay active, the youth, as a lead for sports. Thank you.
Malig Isabella.
Making their way into the top 18, please welcome Zambales.
Zambales.
As a great man of the universe, Zambales, I strongly stand that what we can learn from our own lives doesn't amount to even just a fraction of what we can learn from the lives of those who live before us. We, as a society, are overly fixated from what's to come, that we forget to seek guidance from what has been. It is astonishing how much wisdom we can learn if only we would start looking deeper in our history. Let's start with the young now, teach about their heritage, and preserve what remains as evidence of our past. And I, as a proud native of my province, believe that the young are the most curious and daring, and the one who will benefit most from the existence of this. Our past holds the map to our future. Laki asalamat.
Zambales.
Making it into the top 18, we have Coronadal South Cotabato.
Coronadal South Cotabato.
I am a great man that embodies integrity, compassion, and responsibility. I give strength and uplift the younger people around me. I also am a source of help, a source of hope, and guidance to the younger people around me. A great man does not seek perfection, but strives for growth, inspiration, and to be an impact on everyone around you. Thank you.
Coronadal South Cotabato.
Up next, making their way into the top 18, we have Concepcion Tarlac.
Concepcion Tarlac.
As a great man, I lead by example, always strive to do what's right. Even when it's difficult, I stand firm as my values and take responsibility for my action. A great man doesn't seek recognition, but focuses lifting others and make meaningful difference in the world. Dakalpong salamat.
Concepcion Tarlac.
With the Filipino community stretching each corner of the world, please welcome Philcom India.
Filipino Community of India.
Drawing from personal experience, I understanding that having a strong support system during tough times about mental health. If you are struggling this, I think you need to believe in yourself and seek help. If I could turn my life around you, so can you. I strive to inspire curiosity, ignite creativity, and empower people all over the world to greatness. And that's why I am a great man. Thank you.
Filipino Community of India.
Making their way to the next round, we have Samar Province.
Samar Province.
Three things come into my mind when we talk about great men. First, a great man should know on how to fight for himself, on how to fight for other people around him, especially to his family, for whatever challenges, obstacles, and struggles may come along the way. Second, a great man should know on how to appreciate things, that whatever God gave to him, because you are blessed, and every day is a blessing. Third, a great man should know on how to figure out the things that he needs to do to have a better life, to have a better future. And I believe a great man should have all of these qualities. A great man should have a strong mind, a great personality, and a dedication to the organization. And I believe that is the true meaning of a great man. And I believe I am that great man. Thank you.
Samar Province.
Making the cut, we have Philcom United Kingdom.
Filipino Community of United Kingdom.
Good evening. Standing here tonight, I embody a harmony of two worlds. One, which is the hearts and the strengths of the Filipino people. The other, the progressive spirit of the Western world. I believe that we can share cultures, ideas, and always embrace our roots and to always be compassionate. I believe a great man has integrity, is compassionate, and has great character. My vision for Great Man of the Universe Philippines is to promote diverse men from different backgrounds, any walk of life, and to always uplift one another. Thank you.
Filipino Community of United Kingdom.
Filling up last 5th spot is Kapas Tarlac.
Kapas Tarlac.
As one of the youngest candidates in this competition, what makes me a great man is that I have a sense of purpose. Aside from being a health and wellness advocate, I am also an ambassador of goodwill and catalyst of change. I will collaborate with Great Man of the Universe Philippines organization to promote important causes like mental health awareness, environmental presentation, and youth empowerment. And with this action, I can make a difference. Thank you.
Kapas Tarlac.
Up next, congratulations, Tacloban City.
Tacloban City.
A great man is someone who has empathy. Next is a great man is someone who has discipline. For me, myself, I choose eating proper diet so that I will be healthy. Next will be great man is someone who is visionary. Someone who has strong vision in the future and plan for it. Next is integrity. Integrity is honesty and of course have a strong moral principles. Next one will be respect. Respecting other people regardless of its status and of course respecting the environment. And the last one is open-minded. That comprises my name, EDVIRO. So that would be a great man. And of course, a great man is someone who is a role model as well as who can influence the people around him. That would be the epitome of a great man of the Universe Philippines 2024. That will be all. Good evening.
With 3 spots left, please take the stage, Iloilo Province.
Iloilo Province.
I am a great man because I embody the courage to speak about the issues that matters, especially when it comes to the mental health of men. In a world where men are expected to be strong and silent, I believe that the true strength lies in vulnerability and the willingness to ask for help when needed. My advocacy about mental health is about breaking down the stigma, encouraging men to express their emotions without the fear of judgment, and fostering a society where seeking for support is seen as a sign of resilience and not weakness. Thank you.
Iloilo Province.
We've got 2 spots. Please welcome Province of Rizal.
A great man has an ability to make an impact in its country, to know how to use the platform responsibly, to stand before you guys, to have the values, strength, and principles in life. As a martial artist and a practitioner, I aspire to inspire our young minds to find the greatness within themselves. And with that, I believe na nasa kabataan sa pag-asa ng bayan. Let us all continue to promote and inspire young people to seek for honor and excellence, as we all understand that we have a purpose that is greater than ourselves. This is Jose Fuentes, your great man, Province of Rizal.
Rizal Province.
Completing our top 18, we have Tanawan Leyte.
Tanawan Leyte.
I am a great man. I am a great man, Tanawan Leyte. I am a great man who values integrity, compassion, and leadership. I love inspiring that will uplift my community to leave a legacy, a purpose, and a positivity. Thank you.
Tanawan Leyte.
Everybody give a round of applause to all of your top 18 and all the candidates that did an amazing job up until this far. I'd like to welcome back to the stage my co-host, Zach Poppin.
Hello everyone, hi again. Okay, now we're gonna tell you the criteria for judging. But before that, Liz, I know you're also a beauty queen. Can you tell me about
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time, it's been a while.
And